from Satoshi app, you have within from now, July 1st to July 20th, to submit your wallet address for Colend tokens. If you have mined Colend tokens in Satoshi app, you can see that you can now submit your wallet address. So how can you do that? I don't want to waste much time in this video. I will just go direct to show you how you can submit your Colend address, for how you can submit an address for the Colend tokens you have mined on Satoshi app. Alright, so let's go back to Satoshi app. So direct, all you need to do is to, if you click on your wallet, and you scroll to Colend, you can see Colend, the token you have already mined. You can see that the window has already opened for you to link your wallet address. So which wallet address are you going to be linking? So you see, if you open this link wallet address, you can see withdraw address, then your password, your asset password. So I'm going to be using MetaMask wallet address. So what I need to do now is to go to my MetaMask and get my core wallet address, because you can see that in the instruction there, we are asked to use only core wallet address. Let me show you again. In the instruction, you're asked to use only core wallet address. You can see it here. Core EVM address required. Now you are warned not to use any centralized exchange address. What is centralized exchange address? Centralized exchange is just like Binance. Those exchange that can have that you can deposit fiat currency. That's what is called exchange, centralized exchange. So what you are required to use is use address, core wallet address from any of the decentralized exchange address, like any of the decentralized platform, like MetaMask. Okay, MetaMask is a decentralized platform, while something like Binance is a centralized platform. So you are not required to use centralized exchange platform. You are required to use decentralized exchange. So that's I'm going to use my MetaMask right now. So going back again, I will simply go back to Colend that I've mined, open the link wallet address. So I'll go to my MetaMask now and get my core EVM wallet address. So let's go to MetaMask. So I'm already in my MetaMask now. So once you log into your MetaMask, the first thing you have to do is to change the network. Okay, at the top here you can see what is there is Ethereum main network. So you click there. When you click there, you want to change the network, because what you are required to use is core network. Okay, so let's change from that Ethereum to core. Now you can see here, you can see all the networks I have already added to my MetaMask here. Core mainnet, you can see core mainnet. You click on it. If you have not added core mainnet, you make sure you first of all add core mainnet, okay, to your network. So you choose that core mainnet network. So you click on core, you can see that. Then you scroll down, you click on receive. Okay, so you see this address here, that's what you're going to copy. Public address, you are going to copy it. So click on copy. Once you have done that, you go back to your MetaMask. Okay, let's paste it. Let's paste it again. Let's open our MetaMask. We'll go to Colend, click on link wallet address, then paste the address here. Then you have pasted the address, then put your asset password. Put your asset password there. So once you have put your asset password, you click on Colend link withdraw address. So you just add it. Okay, so first of all, confirm your, okay, so you click on that. So a verified code, the code will be sent to your email. So simply get that code, paste it there, and click on confirm. That will be all. So I'm waiting for that email now. Okay, so you see the email have arrived and I've entered the confirmation code, the verification code. So all I would just do is to confirm, click on confirm. Okay, it says the phone password I entered is incorrect. So it seems So what you need, if you have not created an asset password, make sure you create one. Go to your profile and create one. It seems my own is wrong, so that's why it has refused to confirm. Let me